I want you to take a minute with me to imagine something. I want you to imagine that you are going about your business, you're going home, you're going to work, something like that, and you get arrested. Not by a cop, but by a soldier with a rifle pointed straight at you. You ask, what am I being arrested for? And you get told, shut up. So you get arrested, you get hauled before a court, you get taken to a detention center. At that detention center, the judge says, we're holding you for 6 months. You say, why? You don't get to know. 6 months go by, you're in prison, okay, with no idea why you're there, and no access to speak to any attorney in case you could even hire one. You go in front of the judge again, and the judge says, we're holding you for another 6 months. And you say, why? And the judge says, you don't get to know. For Palestinians in the West Bank, they don't have to imagine this. This is the system of administrative detention that they live under a regular basis. Currently, there are more than 3,000 Palestinians being held without charge, without trial, with secret evidence that they are not allowed to know what it is. Not even their attorneys are allowed to know what it is. That is the definition of a hostage. There is no due process. There is no law and order. They can hold you for as long as they want without ever telling you why they're holding you, without ever proving that you committed any crime. Oh, and by the way, more than 100 of the more than 3,000 Palestinians being held without charge or trial are under the age of 18. More than 100 of them are children. Fuck Israel.